What's up, guys? It's Gemma here. I'm going to go over one of the quickest ways to keep your charts looking clean. You ever have those charts on TradingView where there is so many lines all across the chart you can't even see anything because all your lines from trying to trade on a 5 minute are popping up on a longer time frame, so on and so forth. So it's a pretty simple to use. A lot of people don't realize you can use this on TradingView, and you can use it with your fibs. You can use it for whatever you want to use it for. So say I want to draw the support and resistance for day trading for the next week or so. So the only time I would care about this is day trading, at most the hourly time frame, even the 15 minute, so I don't want to see all these lines on my daily chart, on my 4 hour chart. It's, so on and so forth. So it's really quite simple. And there's a couple things I'm going to go over here. So these are the levels I'm trying to draw pretty much right here. Okay. So I probably should, I probably should have started with just one, and then I could show how you save it for all of them. Okay. So it's this line here. All right, and it's quite easy. When you highlight the line and you go to your settings, you've got all your standard settings. You've got your visibility. You can choose which visibility you want to see this on. So for me, I want to see this on max the 15-minute time frame and the hourly. We'll do the hourly. So what we're doing here is we'll keep it on the tick chart, the second chart, the minute chart, the hour chart. As you can see, 59 seconds in a minute, 59 minutes in an hour. This was 24 hours, 366 days leap year, 52 weeks, 12 months. So you can highlight what ranges you want to see it on. So I want to see it on the hourly, 15-minute, 5, so on and so forth. So I'm going to uncheck these boxes here. All right. So what that does is it makes this line only visible on under an hourly time frame. See, it's gone on the 4 hour, it's gone on the daily, but if you go back to the hourly, it's there. All right. And another thing I suggest to do with this is the secondary thing I suggest doing is make it a template. All right. If you want a scalping template where it's only lines that show up under 15-minute time frame, like this one's day trading. All right, so I already have the day trading template, so I'm good to go. All right, and when you're on that template, all your lines are going to be part of it. So here we go, here we go, here we go. Whatever, I'm just drawing random lines. So these are all going to be the day trading template because that's the template I have on. If I flip to 4, they're gone. All right, and the second part of this is you can have your longer term time frames too. If I want to switch to my daily chart and I only want these super long-term trend channels, whatever it is, so on and so forth, on 4 hours and more, put the lines here, set it, and this we want to be our only days. So because we had it set on this, oh, hold on, I don't want to undo my daily one. Hold on. All right, so let me draw a line, put it back to defaults. Okay, now we have our line here. I want this to be my swing trading. So I don't want this on my minutes. I don't want it on my second charts unless you want to keep it. A lot of day trading levels you do want to keep. But if you only want it for long term, you can do that as well. 4 hour or greater, you would move this to a 4 and you hit OK. And now if I put on the 15-minute chart, it's gone. All right, and you can do this with whatever you want. Say I want a short-term fibs pullback here. Okay, and I got my fibs, and I want just this for day trading. I don't want it to pop up when I'm in a longer-term chart. You do the same thing. You can bring it up, this or that. It's still pulled up from my previous trade. Always make sure you go into, oh, that's my fibs visibility settings. So on this, I'm on fibs, my visibility, I'm going to set it, save as day trading fibs. So it's fibs for short term, 15 minutes or less, hour or less, excuse me, and that's it. And then I've got it right here. Okay, so if I go back to my regular fibs, It's clicked with all. Okay. So I just wanted to go over this real quick. It's a really simple strategy to use, but it's a great way for if you're, if you use your trading view for your futures, for this, that, and you have lines all over your chart, and you don't want all these lines to show up where they're big jumbled mess on the 4 hour chart where you can't even see any. Oh, they aren't because I have this setting on. But you don't want like that scattered chaos all over your chart. It's an easy way where you don't have to go and, set up your object trees or set up you have multiple screens, this, that, the other. It's just a really easy way to flip back and forth quickly on the fly, especially when you're trying to day trade, so on and so forth. I had a lot of people ask me about this, so I wanted to make a really short video on it because it's super simple. That's all I got. Thanks, guys.